It has been already discussed in the introductory lecture of the series that you're expected to be well prepared to appear in a GD if you want a really great performance there. Learn the most effective ways to prepare for a GD in this particular video. Are you only going to study and prepare for contents, or facts and figures, or both? Should you only study current affairs like reviewing a recently concluded sports tournament? Or a topic of sustained general interest like should sports and politics be mixed? Should you stick to one motion or explore multiple points of views of the topic? If you wish to seek answers to these questions, SB's Academy is the right platform for you. In the second lesson of the series, we shall look into the tips and tricks to ace the GD, or how to prepare for a successful GD, and the techniques to do homework and research on possible GD topics and strategies. Watch the full video for a great learning experience.
Hello and welcome to SB's Academy. Here we are back with yet another episode. And to start off, the first of the series of the episode on group discussion. The topic that we are going to discuss today is how to prepare yourself for GD better, or rather 7 tips for a better preparation to crack your GD. So let's come to the 7 tips and tricks directly. First, read up. Read up a lot on the current affairs, the general knowledge and the hot topics of discussions for the moment. Because be rest assured that you might be asked topics from the present moment during your GD. So make sure that you are best prepared for whatever is going on around the world in various areas of economics, sports, politics, entertainment and all. Come to point number 2. Once you have read them up, try to read up multiple points of views on each of the topics that you select. Then you try to create your own point of view. Right? So you will be reading up a lot, try to find out the diverse points of views about the topic that you have selected. Then you try to create your own point of view after reading that. This is point number 2 or trick number 2. Now let's move on to trick number 3. Whenever you are reading up on the topics of the moment for a better preparation of the GD, just not read for the content only. You have to read for the facts and figures and data. So it's not just about generating ideas through reading. It is also about gathering some vital statistics and facts and figures to support your argument through evidence whenever you get a chance to present yourself before an audience. This is trick number 3. Next is trick number 4. Trick number 4 is whenever you are trying to prepare for GD, try to imagine what could be the possible counter arguments to the topic. Once you have understood that what could be the questions that could be coming to you from the other end of the participants, then you can prepare the answers mentally and be better prepared to face the discussion. Point number 5. Create an informal GD group among your friends and try to participate in more group discussions there. You will get a healthy exchange of feedback. Right? So that is all about point number 5. Now let's come to point number 6 or trick number 6. One thing that you need to ace up in your GD is your power of persuasion or convincing. So you need to practice this at length at your home with your group of friends or any informal group discussion at your school, at your college, at your universities, with your friends at their free time, in order to find out how well you can convince others and bring them round to their point of view, to your point of view. Right? This is about point number 6. Next is point number 7. Try to interact with others in a GD group. Try to get yourself participate in such GD groups where there are people whom you are not familiar with. Because ultimately, when you have to appear for a group discussion during your recruitment, you may not always be clubbed along with your friends. You may be clubbed with unknown participants. So you need to prepare yourself better mentally as how to handle opinions, body language, feedback from people whom you don't know. So these are the 7 tips and tricks which I believe will help to make you better prepare for your group discussion. Wish you all the best. Happy learning.
Thank you for your love and support. If you're watching us from our YouTube channel, please subscribe SB's Academy and hit the bell icon for notifications. We shall be hugely motivated if you like and share our videos. Let us know what you appreciate in our videos and where would you like us to improve. Follow and like SB's Academy's page on Facebook and watch the space for SB's tips on vocabulary, grammar, and communication skills in English. Leave your feedback in the comments about the topics you would like us to cover. Tag the corporate job seekers and the candidates preparing for entrance examinations of management courses in your list. Keep watching the series in the coming week for audio texts summarizing this lesson's key points for quick revision. Happy learning!